Okay, it's time to open my iPhone Pro Max. Well, let's go. So the color I've gone for is the titanium blue. I just had a feeling like, I think you should go for a bit darker color. I know the normal titanium color is being quite famous across most of the people this year, but I just like my blue color, so why not? Okay, so let's have a look. The box is pretty much same as old. Nothing changed there. Yeah, as you can expect from Apple. All nice and packed and the way it should be. But this is the most satisfying part, taking the seal out. Let's do it. Okay, there we go. That's one down. Now the second one. And it's time to unveil the new iPhone. I'm pretty buzzing at the moment because currently actually I have Galaxy S23, but I just want to go back to iPhone. Quite like the ecosystem. My first impressions, it's quite matte finish. I mean, it is blue, of course, but it's more towards the matte finish, and it does reflect the lights quite well. But let's quickly put on that on one side and let's have a look what else we have in the box. So we got the USB-C cable. This time it's bird one as well, so that's a bit change from iPhone. I mean, from Apple. I like that. Finally, the USB-C is here. I think Apple being forced to go for the USB-C by the EU laws and regulations, whatever, but at least now I can only carry one cable for all my gadgets. Again, it's never too late. Quite like the bird effect, as you can see. The only thing is, I don't know how I'm gonna keep it clean though, because I'm sure it's gonna get dirty very, very quick. Cool. So let's put that on one side. I'm sure there's nothing much in this pack anyway. You got your pin, of course, to take out the SIM. Yes, because we are in UK and we still have the actual SIM card, unlike US customers who actually start doing the eSIM. I'm not sure about that though. I mean, there's no right and wrong. Yeah, and we got the sticker as well. Probably I'm gonna give to one of my kids, I guess, so they can play with the Apple sticker. Okay, so let's put everything back and let's get to the main show, which is the iPhone. So as you guys pretty much know, it's a 6.7-inch screen, and we have a new camera. I'll probably say upgrade actually, not the lens, because I think lenses are mostly same anyway. But we do have action button now. But I think I quite like the brush effect, even though it's a bit quite bluish dark. But I think they're going for titanium walls. I think it's good. It's a good step up, even though it's still getting the fingerprints, but I don't mind it. Okay, so let's unveil the screen. Ta-da! There we go, guys. Okay, I guess it looks exactly same as the last year iPhone, but I can see the bezels has gone a bit thinner. Okay, let's quickly turn up the iPhone. We still got the dynamic island, and I'm pretty sure most of the people know that I don't think so Apple have changed much in terms of the screen resolution or stuff like that. It's quite as it was from previous gen. I'm just gonna quickly compare the new iPhone 15 Pro Max as compared to the last year 14 Pro Max. I have to say this new titanium does made a bit of difference in weight. I mean, once you actually hold the phone, both phones, you can tell there's a difference in weight, which I think I quite like it, because it was getting quite heavy over ear and ear. But overall the finish, yeah, I'm quite up for this titanium finish, especially on the sides as compared to the previous gen. So here's my OCD probably kicking in. I thought before I set up my phone, let's quickly put the screen protector. Now the case and the screen protector which I'm going for on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, that will be, I'll probably review in the next follow-up video, because I want to touch up a few details once I actually use the phone for a couple of weeks, so that I can give you my honest review that how the screen protector is holding up. But the case which I have gone for, just quickly, is the Benks ArmorPro Case, I think it's called. I can always put the link in the description, but I think it's definitely a value for money. I have used Pitaka in past, but I think they're just quite expensive for what they are. And the build quality of this one is still quite as a par to Pitaka as well. So the case quite snug in very well. As you can see, the carbon fiber weave is a quite tight fit. And of course it does come with a MagSafe as well. All the side buttons are very high quality. Okay, so yeah, that was a quick video, just doing a quick unboxing of my iPhone and putting the case and the screen protector. But wait for my full review, which probably I'm gonna do in next couple of weeks, to see how the phone is holding up, and then of course I can answer any questions you guys may have. But once again, I really appreciate watching my video, and if you can, please do subscribe and leave a comment. Hopefully I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. Take care.